welcome to BFix Tech. So today I'm going to show you how to enable um, double tap or double tap click on MacBook. So now you can see my double tap is not working. Okay, I'm just clicking, it's not working. Okay, so then what we'll do, we'll try to fix this. Okay, so to fix this, double tap click or like single finger click, we need to go to the trackpad. Okay, go to the trackpad. Okay, here we are, and there are many features. So first of all, tap to click. Okay, tap with one finger, enable this. Okay, click or tap with two fingers. You can also do it with two fingers. Okay, secondary key. Okay, so that's also fine. Force tap with force click or with one finger, so you can force it and do it. Look up and data detector for this one. There is scrolling, zooming, everything is on. More gesture, there is all of them are open, so no need to worry about it. Okay, so swipe up with three fingers, so here it goes. You see, like I'm using okay, so that's it, I think. See, so the double click is working, and here you go, the two fingers sweep, it's supposed to work. Scroll left or right with two fingers. Okay, so here sweep left or right with three fingers. Okay, so we'll close it and we'll see.